Good morning. Chapter Permutations and Combinations. Exercise 7.4, question number 5. The question is, find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. If each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. Okay? So, find the number of ways. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue and 5 blue balls. If each selection consists of 3 balls of each color Okay, so total selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls and each selection of 3 balls of each color. Okay, so there are 6 red balls, there are 6 red balls, 5 white balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls and 5 blue balls. Okay, so we have to select select 3 balls of each color. 3 balls of each color. Okay, so total number of ways equal to,
so that will be equal to 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3.
okay, so from first 6 red balls, so 6C3
into 5C3
into 5C3
5 white and 5 blue balls into 5C3, each color 3 balls. Okay, so calculate this now. So 6C3 means 6 factorial.
So 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial, that is 3 factorial into 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial.
Now, 6 factorial we can write. 6
So
6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial and 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 factorial.
Okay. This into 5 factorial
5 into 3 into 2 factorial by 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial into 2 factorial.
So 3 factorial into 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Okay. Same only. 5, 4, 3 by 3 factorial into 2 into 1. Okay. So 3 factorial
From all 3 factorial are cut.
cancel.
So 2 divides 6.
So 2 threes, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. So first will be 5 fours are 20. Then it will be 2 twos are 4, so 5 twos are 10 into
So it is equal
it will
to
be 5
20
twos
into
are
10,
10.
which is 2000.
These 2 are 4. 2 to 4. Okay. Now here 3 into 2 6.
So
2
3
twos are
divides
4, 3 into 2 6.
6 cancel. 6. Okay.
10.
So 20 into 10 into 10, that is
20 into 10 into 10,
2000.
it is 2000.
20 by 1 is 20 into 5 into
Into 10 into 10.
2000.
So 2000. So 20 into 100, which is 2000.
the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 6. Determine the number of 5 card combinations determine the number of 5 card combinations out of a deck of 52 cards. If there is exactly one is in each combination. Okay. So here determine the number of 5 cards combination out of a deck of 52 cards. If there is exactly one edge and each combination. Okay. Now 5 card need, and out of
So it will be the combination of 4 cards, that is of ace.
So ace will be 4 and other 48 cards are there.
So we have total number of aces.
4.
There are 4. Okay, 4 aces card and 48
Other are 48 others.
48 other cards. Okay, out of 52 cards. So total number of, determine the number of, okay, So total number of combination, number of ways of
So one is
selection.
4C1, another is
So one is
48C4.
48C4.
Number of ways of selection equal to. So out of 4 cards, okay, taken one at a time
So
now.
4C1,
4C1 into other card 48.
48C4,
So from 48 need 4 card because total need 5 card. 5 card combination. So 1 plus
yes
4
sir,
5. And total we have 52 cards. 48 plus 4 52. It's okay. Now calculate.
yes sir.
Calculate now. So 4C1 means
4 factorial by 1 factorial, 3 factorial into 48 factorial by 4 factorial into 44 factorial.
So 48 by 4 into 48 minus 4, 44.
44 factorial.
Yes. Now,
So 4 factorial cancel. So it's 48 factorial by 3 factorial into 44 factorial.
4.
Yes sir.
Or you can write 4 into 3 factorial also. Like this also.
Yes,
4 into 3. Okay. By 1 factorial
Yes,
is
sir.
1 into 3. Okay. Now this into 48 means 48 into 40.
So 48 into 47 into 46 into
46 into 45 into 44 factorial by 4 factorial into 44 factorial.
Four 44 cancel. Okay. And there 3 cancel. Okay.
So 4 also cancel.
Yes. 4
So 3 15s are 45.
and 3 16 48. 3 16. No.
Yes sir.
So answer 2 8 is 16.
3 16 48. And now 2 8 ja 16. 2 8 2 8
8.
2 8. Okay. Now this is equal to 8.
Sir, 8 into 47 into 46 into 45, which is 7,78,000.
So 7,78,320.
45, 46, 47 into 8. Okay. And denominator 1 only, no? So is this
Yes, sir.
Now multiply this. What will be
So
the
7,78,320.
7783, no?
830. 8320.
So 8320.
Yes, sir.
778320. Next question number 7. In how many ways? In how many ways can one select a cricket team? Select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players. 17 players in which only five players can bowl. if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. Okay. So total we have 17 players. So out of 17 players, 5 players can bowl, 5 bowlers. So out
So
of
5 bowlers, others are 12.
Yes, others are 17 minus 5 is 12. Okay. Now we have to select 11 players, and out of 11, 4 bowlers and 7 others. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
there are 5 bowlers. There are 5 bowlers and 12 others. 12 others. Okay. We have to select 4 bowlers, 4 bowlers and 7 others. 7 other players. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So number of ways of selection.
So 5C4 into 12C7.
12C7.
So out of 5 bowlers need 4. So 5C4 no, is it?
So 5C4. Yes, sir. Sir, into
5C4 into
12C7.
12C7.
Yes. So from other 12 bowlers, 12 players, 12 plus 5, 17 total. So
Yes, sir.
need 7.
So
7
we need
plus 4,
7 more
11.
players.
Okay. You can add up 5 plus 12, 17. Total we have 17 players. And 4 plus 7, 11. Need 11 players. Is okay?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now calculate. So 5
So 5 factorial by 4 factorial into 1 factorial into 12 factorial by 7 factorial into 5 factorial.
by 7. 12 minus 7, 5.
12 minus 7, 5 factorial.
5 factorial. Okay. Now this 5 factorial cancel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This 5 and cut that. So
So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 7 factorial.
divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 7.
7 factorial.
Okay. So 7 cancel.
So
Okay.
2 4s are 8, 4 4 cancel, 3 3s are 9.
3 and 4 12 no. 3 4 12.
Yes, sir.
12 cancel. And 2 5 get 10. 2 5. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
So it is 11 into 5 into 9 into 8, which is
11 into 5 into 9 into 8 equals to 3,960.
11 5 9 8. Okay. So multiply this. This is
So
equal
it
to
is 3,960.
So 3960.
3960.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Question number 8. A bag contains A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. 5 black and 6 red balls. 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways determine the number of ways in which two black two black and 3 red balls and 3 red balls, 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. Okay. So a bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. So there are 5
So,
black.
sir, the first permutation will be 5C2 because we have to select 2 balls from that.
So from 5 black balls need 2 black, so 5C2, and from 6
Yes,
red
sir.
need 3.
6C3.
63.
Okay. So number of ways of selection, number of ways of selection equal to
5C2 into 6C3.
5C2 into 6 red
6C3.
This 5C2
So 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial.
3 into 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial, 6 minus 3. Okay. Now
So 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 2 into 1 into 3 factorial.
5 into 4 into 3. Okay. So 2 means 2 into 1 into 3 factorial. This
Into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 factorial.
equal to 3 into 3 into
3 into 2 into 1.
Okay. Have to cut this 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay. And 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 6.
3 into 2 6, 2 2 cancel. So 5 4s are 20 and then 3 3 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So 10 into 20, that is 200. So 10 into 20.
4 5 are 20.
So it is
200
200.
ways.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory. For every student. Okay. So,
Sir, since
Sir, compulsory courses are 2,
compulsory courses
so
are
other
2,
courses
so
are
that will be
7.
7, and sir, 3 courses has to be selected
So
in some
3
of the ways.
courses
So
are
the
selected,
combination will
so
be 7C3.
5 are there, number to be chosen at 2.
So it will be 7C3 because the 7 courses will be
so
selected.
number of ways of
7C3.
Okay. So number of ways
So 7C3.
of selection so total 9 courses, 2 compulsory. So 9 minus 2, 7. Okay.
So 7C3.
So it will be 7C3.
From 7 courses need 5
So
minus
3 courses.
3.
2
So 5
courses of
minus
5.
2 courses, which is
5
3.
courses, 2 are compulsory. So
Yes, sir. So
5
3.
minus 2 is 3,
5
so
minus
3.
2 is 3. So 3 courses.
so 7C3. Now it is 7.
So
7 factorial by 3 factorial into 4
5
factorial.
7 minus 3, 4. Okay.
So 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial.
Into 5 factorial.
Into 4. This 3 means 3 into 2. 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial.
4 factorial cancel. 3 2s are 6, so 2 cancel. 7 5s are 35. 2 cancel, so 7 5s are 35 ways.
6 is cancel. Okay. 5 into 7, 35. Equal to 35.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All the questions understand?
Yes,
No?
sir.
So this type question now you can do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Any question you have? Any question?
No, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.